Good afternoon all. Welcome back to Controlled Chaos Painting. I'm Ken and I'll be your artist today. I'd like to thank you for tuning in today, and if you're a return viewer, much appreciated. Today I think we're going to be doing a flip cup tactic or technique. So we're going to go ahead and get the paint situated and everything, and give you a view of what colors we're using, show you the flip cup technique. And if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. It really does help. Let's get painting. Okay, I'd like to thank you for joining me today on this painting journey. I got kind of mixed emotions about it. At first, I was like, this is going to be gorgeous. I had a certain vision in mind. And then when it started coming out, I was like, oh, this is not good. And now I think I'm liking it again. I do wish there was a bit more yellow showing up here. Again, you got cell structure down here, and you get that from using alcohol that I was using, but you can also use silicone, which will have a much better cell effect. I wanted to apologize for the delay in the painting videos. We actually run 2 other YouTube channels, so I'm kind of stretching the time between the 3 channels plus, you know, real life stuff. So really sorry about that. I'll get them up as quickly as I can. So go ahead and let's get a close-up. And again, if you're enjoying the videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button for upcoming videos. Let's take a look. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the first coat and preserve your design. Wow, that's really going to bring